Here is Shelf app, music, books, movies. So here is the app, a fun way to learn about you and your friends. Get personalized recaps, customize what's on your shelf, get recommendations from friends, see what you have in common. So pretty cool, interesting app. It's in top charts. It's like Spotify Wrapped, Letterboxd, and Goodreads in one app. Magically linked to the platforms you already use and love. Keep track of you and your friends' taste over time. Keep up with friends through what they're into and get their media recommendations. Share updates about your obsessions, guilty pleasures, and elite taste. So just log in with the platforms you already use, like Spotify and Netflix. You're in control. Customize once adds up on your shelf. Watch something at the movie theater. Listen to a vinyl. You can manually add items by searching them or dropping a link to. React to friends' updates. Showcase your taste. Go back in time. Control who sees what. So pretty cool. So let's just take a look. So I created my shelf. So here's how it looks like. So you just basically log in with your Spotify. So you can see I connected. You can connect your Goodreads. You can connect Apple Music, Letterboxd, Netflix. Coming soon. YouTube, Storygraph, HBO, Hulu, Prime Video. It's coming soon. And then basically it just creates what's your top album. Then you can see who is your top artist, like what's your top genre, and then that's the idea. And then what's your top song, for example. This is just an overview. And then this is basically your shelf, and then you can just tap add, and then you can add all the stuff from your Spotify. You can have auto updates as you listen things every 3 hours. You can add your like recent movie, what you're reading, what's your top game, what you're watching on Netflix, and that's the idea. You can also customize it. You can change the theme, and that's what it is. And then you have some feed of people, what people are listening to, what are they just scrolling, what they're reading. And here you can just discover what your friends are listening to and some new tracks. You can also then just add friends. Then you can just add something from here. And then there is a library. So here you can see a library. You can see games. You can see. So here what you're watching. And then this is your account. So that's the idea. And then there is all the times there is like a recap story where it just generates an overview what you watched for the last period and so on. So that's the idea of the app. Basically like Spotify Wrapped, but like with all these platforms in one app, and you can add friends, and it's also like a social Instagram feed for your friends as well. So that's the app. Pretty cool, interesting app. Doesn't have that many ratings yet, so that's what it is.